Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do if ChatGPT is not working properly on your Windows 10 or 11 on PC. So the first solution that you always take in consideration is to clear the cookies on your default browser, the browser that you are using ChatGPT with. In our case, we will show you an example using the Chrome browser. So open up Google Chrome and make sure to click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click on the settings option. Now here head over to privacy and security, and the next thing you have to do is select the cookies and other sites data option. From here just scroll down until you find the see all site data and permissions and click on it, and what you have to do is scroll down or locate the OpenAI site data and make sure to delete the cookies for it. So just click on the trash icon, and the last thing you have to do is confirm by clicking on the clear button, which will clear the site data, the cookies and the pretty much everything else. Afterwards you can just close the Chrome browser and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is disable all extensions. Now again we will show you the method on Chrome browser, but it's pretty similar in any other browser. So open up the Chrome browser and make sure to click on the puzzle icon, which is the extensions menu, and then click on the manage extension option. Now from here what you have to do is simply disable all the extensions that you are using, and then you can head over to ChatGPT and see if the problem still persists. And that was it, super simple. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.